If you've ever dreamed of building your own empire, escaping the 9 to 5, or simply creating a powerful side income, 2025 is your year. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's your ultimate game changer for every aspiring entrepreneur and ambitious beginner. Get ready to transform your vision into reality. Unlock your potential with AI. Forget complex coding or huge startup costs. In this video, I'll reveal 5 revolutionary AI tools that empower you to build income streams, automate tedious tasks, and achieve true financial freedom. These aren't just tools, they're your new business partners, ready to work tirelessly for your success. Let's dive in and discover how you can leverage them, starting today. Flicky, your content creation machine. Tool number 1 is Flicky. This incredible AI transforms simple text into engaging videos, complete with realistic AI voices, captivating stock clips, and perfect subtitles. You can create professional content without ever showing your face or investing in expensive equipment. Entrepreneurs can launch faceless YouTube channels, promote digital products, or create compelling and creatives effortlessly, scaling their reach like never before. ChatGPT, your personal business strategist. Next up, ChatGPT. This AI is like having a brilliant co-founder available 24/7. It can brainstorm innovative business ideas, craft persuasive social media posts, develop comprehensive business plans, or even generate high-converting affiliate content. For beginners, it demystifies content creation and strategy. Entrepreneurs can leverage it to refine their pitches, automate customer service responses, and unlock endless creative solutions, saving countless hours and resources. Canva, design like a pro, instantly. Tool number 3 is Canva. You can design stunning thumbnails, professional ebooks, eye-catching social media posts, and cohesive brand content, even if you have zero design experience. Its integrated AI tools, like Magic Write and Magic Design, produce professional-grade visuals in minutes. Entrepreneurs can build a powerful brand identity and create marketing materials that truly stand out, all without hiring expensive designers. System.io, your all-in-one business hub. Meet System.io, your complete platform for online business success. This tool allows you to build high-converting sales funnels, manage email marketing campaigns, and launch affiliate programs, all for free. It's an invaluable lesson in digital marketing and business automation. Entrepreneurs can create entire online businesses from scratch, eliminating monthly software costs and technical headaches, allowing you to focus purely on growth and profit. ElevenLabs, the voice of your brand. Finally, ElevenLabs. If you need incredibly realistic voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or audiobooks, this AI voice generator delivers nearly human quality sound. It's perfect for faceless creators and entrepreneurs who demand high-quality audio without the cost or complexity of professional voice actors. This tool empowers you to produce polished, engaging audio content that captivates your audience and elevates your brand's professionalism. Your future starts now. These 5 AI tools are more than just software, they are your gateway to automating, scaling, and making money online faster than you ever thought possible. The future belongs to those who embrace innovation and leverage AI, not those who ignore it. Don't just dream about financial freedom, build it. Ready to transform your entrepreneurial journey? Subscribe to Digital Freedom AI for more cutting-edge strategies, practical tutorials, and powerful AI tools that actually work. Right pointing finger emoji. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss your next big opportunity.